This is Camille, and she is now 6.5 months old. Hi, Camille. Hi. Are you going to smile? Yay! Oh, my. Do you want to get down on the blanket? Hang on, I'll put you on the blanket. There you go. Now you're on the blanket. That's better. Yes, ma'am. Hi, Camille. Hi. Hello. Say hi. Hi, Mary. So, let's see. Today is January 25th, 2007. Camille's such a big girl. She plays. She sits. We'll have to see if she can crawl a little or shimmy on her belly anyway. Hang on just a minute. What's that, Camille? Is that a giraffe? Oh, and you've got the little ring. Yeah. How big are you, Camille? So big. Can you do so big? Way up. Oh, Camille. Yes, very big. Very big girl. Camille, she's getting her second tooth. Camille, can you show me your tooth? Show me your toothy. Hi. Smile. Yes. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay. There's a toothy. There's your toothy. I see it. Zip, zip, zoo. My, oh my. What a wonderful day. Oh, yes. You like those toys? Shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. That's a girl. Good job. Okay, let me see if you'll go on your tummy and do something fun. Should we? Okay, hang on. Come on now. All right. Hi, sweetie. Hello. Where are you going? Oh, dear. You gotta back up. I gotta back up so I can see you scutting along. Here you come. That's as back as the camera goes. Oh, dear. Hang on. Oh, boy. Let's see if I can get you from this angle. Come on, Camille. Come on, sweetie. Oh, there's Nikki. Say hi, puppy. Hi, Nikki. Good girl. Okay, come on, Camille. There she goes. Scoot, scoot. Oh, dear. Raspberries. Raspberries. Can you get up and crawl? Come on. Here she comes. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. She's a good girl. Camille. Hey, Camille. Hey, Camille. How are you? Yes. Oh, that's so good. So good. Hello. What you saying, huh? What you saying? Agaka? Camille, can you say da-da? Da-da. There you go. Da-da-da. Good job, Camille. Good job. Yes. What, you got an elephant? You got an elephant? You're looking up at the doggy, aren't you? Where's the doggy? The doggy up. Come here. Camille. Oh, doggy jumped down. Where'd she go? Did she jump down? So big. Oh, there's the doggy again. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can get over this way. Camille. Hi, Camille. She's watching the doggy. The doggy's right over there. Nikki. You gonna go by the doggy? Say doggy. Doggy, doggy. Oh, there you go. There you go. Doggy, doggy. Try to keep the doggy not stepping on the blanket, but Camille would like it if she came right over, I think. Hey, Camille, are you going to crawl over here now? Come on. There you go. Come on. There you go. Good job. Good job, Camille. Yay! Now I can't see your face. You gotta look over here. Guy. Yeah, say da da da. Da da da. Yes. Da. Oh, you're going off the blankie. You're going off the blankie. Oh no. What should we do? I guess we should stop and get you back on the blankie. All right. Oh, Camille, you are really going.